Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to propagate Anthurium plants right at home without having to buy them from a nursery. With just a few simple steps and a little patience, you can easily grow your own lush, vibrant Anthurium plants with stunning red flowers to brighten up your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this garden grow. Make sure to watch this video till the end. I'll show you how to propagate Anthurium plants using the flower of the Anthurium itself. It's super simple and surprisingly effective. With just a little care and patience, you can easily grow many new Anthurium plants right at home. I used an Anthurium flower, trimmed part of the stem, and left just the right length. Then, I took half a tomato and inserted the flower stem directly into it. Tomatoes help stimulate root growth as they contain vitamins, minerals, and natural hormones that promote faster and healthier root development. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now that the plant has grown beautifully with healthy roots, I'll transfer it into a pot. For potting, I use loose, well-aerated, and nutrient-rich soil to help the Anthurium adapt easily and continue growing strong and healthy. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. At this stage, the plant is growing beautifully, so to prevent nutrient deficiency, I used aloe vera leaves to extract the gel, then added a few cloves of garlic and mixed them with water. I soaked a multi-purpose tissue in the mixture and gently wiped each leaf, allowing the nutrients to penetrate deeply. The remaining liquid was poured at the base of the plant. The combination of aloe vera and garlic helps boost immunity, prevent fungus, and promote healthy growth with shiny green leaves. It's amazing! After 45 days, I now have a beautiful Anthurium plant right at home. The plant is healthy. With glossy green leaves and vibrant red flowers, it feels so rewarding to see the results of my own care and effort. If you enjoyed this, don't rush to buy a plant just yet. Try this Anthurium propagation method I've shared. You'll find it so exciting and satisfying to grow your own beautiful Anthurium plants right at home. I'm sure you'll feel proud and happy with the results you achieve. Don't leave without a like. It's the sunlight this garden needs to grow.